Let me go and solve problem number 6. Okay, so this problem is based on what? Time and work, right? So you should know the concept and as well as the formulas carefully. So and you should remember also. Okay, let us solve this particular problem. A can lay railway track between two given stations, that is 2, okay, 2 given stations in 16 days, right? So B can do the same job in 12 days. With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only. Then C alone can do the job in how many days? This is the thing, right? So now let us list out here. A can do the job of what? Laying a railway track between 2 given stations. So let us take this and this. This is railway station 1, right? Or X and as well as Y. From year to year, if he wants to, A wants to lay the track, means he will take around 16 days, correct? 16 days. B can take how much? So B can take to complete the same job in 12 days, right? No, with the help of C, that is A, B and C, if they together, if they lay the track, then how many days they will take? They will take only 4 days. Now, what we are supposed to find? Then C alone can do the job in how many days? We are supposed to find the C. How many days the C can complete? That is the question. Now let us take this. A can lay in 16 days. That means 1 day's work of A. 1 day's work of A is equal to 1 by 16. Correct. Same. 1 day's work of B is equal to how much? 1 by 12. Correct. So similarly, 1 day work of A, B and C is how much? That is 1 by 4. Now, we are supposed to find the how many days the C can do the same work, right? Now let us check out 1 day's work of C. 1 day's work of C is equal to 1 day work of A, B, C minus, correct, 1 day work of A, right, 1 day work of A plus 1 day work of B, correct. Now 1 day work of ABC is how much? That is 1 by 4 minus 1 day work of A is how much? 1 by 16, correct, 1 by 16 plus 1 day work of B is how much? That is 1 by 12. Now simplify it, you will get the answer. Now first I will try to simplify this, that is I will go here 1 by 16 plus 1 by 12. What is the LCM of 16 and 12? Let us find out. 16 and 12. Let me go with the 4. 4 3s are. 4 4s are. 4 3s are. Right, that's it. Right. Let us start with this 2. 2 8s are. 2 6 are. Correct? 2 8s are. 2 6 are. Again I will go with the 2. 2 4s are. Correct? 2 3s are. Again I will go with the 2 2s are. 3s are. What is the answer we got? Now LCM 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 48. 48 is the LCM of 16 and 12, correct? 48 that divided by 16 4s are, 16 3s are, 3 1s are 3 plus 12 4s are, 4 1s are 4. So what we got now? This is 4 plus 3 7, by 48. Correct? 7 by 48 we got. Now I'll substitute here. So 1 by 4 minus 7 by 48. What is the LCM for 4 and 48? You can check out here, 4 and as well as 48. 4 and 48, the 48 itself, right? So 48 is the LCM. Now 48 divided by 4, that is 12 4s are 48, that is 12 here, minus 48 1s are 1 into 7 is 7. So 12 minus 7 is 5, 5 by 48 is the answer. The C can do 5 by 48, the work in 5 by 48 days. But they have given in a mixed fraction. Now we are supposed to convert this into the mixed fraction. You know how to convert the mixed fraction. What you can do, I will do here 48 that divided by 5. 5 9s are 45, subtract here, that will become 3. Now how you will write? You know the rule, that is quotient, right? Remainder and divisor. Quotient is how much here? Quotient is 9, correct? 9. Remainder is how much? Remainder is 3 and divisor is 5. The answer is 9 3 by 5. It is B. Hope you understood.